Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training, and I have a floor-based cardio workout for you, so no worries, we're not going to be getting up and down, so all we need is a mat, a soft surface, some water, you and I, and we are going to get started burning fat. Let's do it. All right, so we're gonna be doing 3 sets. First, I'll be more explaining the 4 different exercises we're gonna be doing, and then the next 2 sets after that are gonna be more of a run through of all of them, back to back to back to back. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna have a nice cardio session, so let's get started with exercise number 1. All right, get down on your mat. We are gonna get started with a plank to downward dog. There's different variations we could do for this, so I will start with the one that I think is best. We're gonna get on our elbows, get ourselves into a plank position, and we're just gonna alternate between this position and a downward dog. So we're just trying to shift our hips back. Don't worry about it being a perfect downward dog. We're just trying to get this motion right here as we tighten our core. So 30 seconds, here we go. So really just focus on being on your elbows, tighten that core, strong, stable back, and then we're just like pushing back, trying to see if we can get our heel to touch the ground. No worries if not, and we're just rocking back and forth like this. Now, if being on your elbows is too difficult for you, you can go up to a normal plank, get yourself in a plank, and then into a normal downward dog, just like that. And if this motion is too much for you, you can either focus on just a plank or on just a downward dog, whichever you prefer. Let's do one more, and done. Great job. Next, we have mountain climbers back into that plank position. I know you're like, planks! They suck, but they're so good for you. We're gonna do some mountain climbers, 30 seconds on, and let's go. Really drive that knee. Now, if you're feeling ambitious, you can just bam, 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 knock them out, or just tap at a time, just like this. Make sure you're leaning over and making sure your hands are pressing away. Really splay your fingers so that they have a nice stable base, and just drive that knee as high as you can. Don't worry so much about the intensity or how many you can do. Focus on your core. Really driving. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Third exercise, we have leg lifts, so go right onto your back. These next 2 exercises are gonna be in your back. Oh, we have leg lifts. Really stretch out. We want our lower back pressed up against the ground. Hands, stable base, 30 seconds. We're gonna lift those legs, baby. Here we go. And let's go. Just like that. Now you can hover as you go down, or you can just touch. Just try to control the descent. Now, if doing both legs are a little too difficult for you, just do one at a time. No worries. Just like that. Really reach. Try to have your heel touch the ceiling, if you will, because it helps you feel the stretch all up in here. Just like that. Go back to 2 if you'd like. Really, again, focus on controlling the descent. That's where it counts. One more, and done. Last, we have some heel taps. Feet flat on the ground or on your mat. We're gonna focus on alternating between taking our fingers and tapping our heels just like that. 30 seconds, here we go. Really reach. Try not to cheat yourself. Sometimes you miss, but just go back and touch. No one's watching, it's only you. But how you do one thing is how you do everything. So really focus on the small details, just like that. The closer your heel is to your bum, the easier it is. The farther back, the harder. It really makes it reach. Ugh. So just do a comfortable pace and space for you. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. There you have it. First set done. Whew, I think I'm sweating already. Grab some water. Ugh. And we'll get started with set number 2 in just a second. All right, you know what you're doing. Those are your 4 exercises. Let's get started with set number 2. All right, plank to downward dogs in 3, 2, and 1. Mountain climbers in 3, 2, let's go. All right, legless in 3, 2, and 1. Heel taps in 3, 2, 1. All right, there you go. Set number 2 done. I know you're tired. I'm tired. We got one more set to go. A little bit more water. Energize us. And we're gonna crush this third and final set. Here we go. Set number 3. Turn around. Starting now. All right, plank to downward dogs in 3, 2, and 1. Mountain climbers in 3, 2, let's go. All right, legless in 3, 2, and 1. Heel taps in 3, 2, 1. There you have it. That was your floor-based cardio workout. I am sweating. I hope you are too. And if you enjoyed this, go ahead and let us know in the comments. Click the notification bell to stay on top of any new workouts dropping for you. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.